Hi, this is Amy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Gochujang Ratatouille with chili oil. To start this dish, we need to core up 1 chili pepper, removing the ribs and the seeds because we don't want this to get too spicy. Use whatever chilies you have, jalapeno, serrano, whatever you have on hand. You can give this a really rough chop because we're going to blend this up in a blender later. We also need to dice up 1 medium onion, again, not being beautiful with our cuts. You're not even going to see them. And 2 cloves of garlic. For the ratatouille, we need some eggplant. I'm using Japanese eggplant, just slicing as evenly as possible, or use a mandolin. We're going to put these in salt water so they don't brown. It'll draw out some of the moisture as well. Next up, 2 zucchini. This used to be one of my worst vegetables when I was a kid. Now I absolutely love it. It's funny how your tastes change. And because I had delicata squash, just slicing into rounds, about 3 of these and popping out those seeds after they're in discs. Some tomatoes as well. To build our sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a small pot. We're going to add we are going to add in our onions and chili peppers and let that cook for about 3 minutes to bring out the sweetness of the onion and to soften everything up. Before adding in the garlic, cooking for 2 minutes, adding in a cup of tomato puree, half tablespoon of Dijon mustard, tablespoon of gochujang, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're going to cook this until this thickens up before popping in a blender and making a smooth puree, which we are going to tip out into a cast iron pan, spreading out as evenly as possible. Then we're going to go in with our veggie discs and just start layering. You could also dump this all in as well. It's very rustic and normal to do, but we're being a little fancy today. I like to alternate to show all the different colors. This is the last of the vegetable slices, and I'm going to shove in as much as possible because why not? Then we're going to cover this with aluminum foil and bake it in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes before removing the foil and baking for an additional 30 minutes. Pull that out, it should be nice and bubbly. We're going to top with a little chili crisp or chili oil, and because we are being fancy, we're going to garnish with a little basil as well. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. I can tell by the smell of it, this is going to be delicious. There's a smokiness from the gochujang. You can smell the sweetness of the tomato, and all those vegetables have cooked down tenderly, perfectly, beautifully, just like you. This is delicious, but there it is, Gochujang Ratatouille with chili crisp. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today, and for allowing me to take last week off to mourn the passing of my puppy. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.